Can you earn £100,000 salary from rent to rent? On this video, I'm gonna break down what it looks like, how many deals you're gonna need, what your total income's gonna need to be, what your expenses are gonna be in order for you to actually net a six-figure salary. I'm Simon, and I've actually got a seven-figure rent-to-rent business, okay? We're doing over £1 million. I think we're on track to do 1.3 million year on year in rent-to-rent revenue. My next goal is 3 million. And on this video, I want to share with you, is rent-to-rent just a pipe dream? Is it something just as a side hustle? Or can you actually earn mega bucks? And if so, how do you do it? Because I think there's a lot of people talking about this stuff, but I don't see many people that are actually doing it. So on this video, I'm going to share my experience. If you're brand new to the channel, please go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button, comment on the video. I really do appreciate all the support and all the vibes that we create on this channel. And if you're not already, head over to Facebook and jump on the Creative Cashflow Facebook group for even more free content. So, first things first, let me get my calculator out. My average rent-to-rent deal generates around £2,500 per month, gross revenue. Gross revenue is total income, okay, before any expenses. So if you go £2,500, there you go, okay? And if you times that by 12, then you're looking at £30,000 total gross annual income from one deal. And by the way, before we get ahead of ourselves, let's slow down. How did I come to that £2,500 per deal? Well, look, if you charge around 83 quid a night, which I would say is low, and you do 30 nights a month, that's £2,500, okay? We're gonna do way more than that. And if you have a 5-bed HMO at £500 per room, that's also 2.5 grand. So it's fair to say from those calculations that one deal is 30 grand, okay? So if you do 10 deals, that's obviously gonna be added zero. That's gonna be 300 grand in terms of revenue. Now, I've sat down with my accountant and they've said, look, Simon, they nearly fell off their chair when we shared these figures, but they said, industry average, if you're at 15, 20% gross profit margin, that means you earn 100 grand and 20 or 15 grand is actually gross profit. They're over the moon. Well, in my business, year 1 and 2, we managed to do 36%, okay? And we was doing around 500-600 grand revenue year 2. So if we take our 10 deal goal of £300,000, and if we divide it by 100 and times that by 36%, that's £108,000 net, okay? This is after all expenses, and we even had a few employees at this stage. So, yeah, you can quite easily make £100,000 salary from rent to rent. It's only 10 deals, okay? Which seems hard, but you can do that within 12 months with the right procedures, the right systems, the right knowledge, okay? So you can do it, but you are gonna need to earn £300,000, and you are gonna need to make sure you keep your costs low and you get your gross profit margins high. Hope you found this useful. If you have, hit the subscribe button, comment below, let me know how much you're earning. Like this video, okay? And if you need any further help on how to do this, feel free to hit me up on Instagram, DM me at Simon Smith Online. I'll see you in the next one.